Hello po. Agata. Parang tayo kukunin na yan, Lord. Hello. Naka-survive din. Anong oras na?
Know it gets better. Even in the rain, you gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like whatever, when she mad, the sex better. I put the diamond on your face, rock the fella. I put the me to you and now we here together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need.
Hi muna, bago malaglag. Hi muna mga kabes.
Day one in Taiwan, nagpapaulan.
Nasa Baguio na kami.
Nakita niyo ba kung gaano ka-foggy?
You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. I'ma take the stars out of the sky for you. There's nothing in this world that I wouldn't do.
Hello guys!
Hi!
Here's where we're staying. Hindi ko lang kita. Hindi kita.
Yan.
I don't know if kita.
Ayan kita.
Yung saan na pedestrian?
Ayaw nga pala, wala sa Pilipinas.
Nag-hotpot na po kami after eating last 4 a.m.
Ayun lang yung hotpot.
Ang sarap din yung inig.
Ano yun? Iba bang beer?
All of these niggas they hate me. Try to hide you through the gate. Go to strip club, make it rain. So much money they use race. They had 100,000 in your face. Yeah, they put the 100K in her safe. Yeah, her today. Yeah, she talked to me like she knew it. Yeah, go to sleep in a jacuzzi. Yeah, waking up right to a two-piece. Yeah, counting that paper like loose leaf. Yeah, getting that chicken with blue cheese. Yeah, boy, you so feel like my college. You stinking. I swear to God, that be that blue cheese. Hey, you know we ready. Yeah, we not losing.
Ay, dito yung masasarap na food. Yan na, dapat dyan na lang tayo kumain. Lamig!
I don't try nobody with the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me your river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit. Cooking up with a cruiser. My niggas
I'm in my go yard, you go girl.
Day 2.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Smell good, taste good,
Going
feel
on the
good,
bus.
look great.
Good morning.
Shape like a number 8.
Morning.
Yes, good.
Titties real, look fake. Yeah. Eat it up, whole plate. Got your hook, I'm bait. 6 drive, he can't wait. Make him come fast like let's race. 5, 6 flags on my hands up. Drop that ass down, make it stand up. Baby mama can't stand us. Act up, get your man's fucked.
Wow, kay drama ang dating ah.
Videos is on Chanel
Ayun
curl.
ang ganda.
Sweat it out, need a new curl.
Ganito lang.
My pussy key to his whole world. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Big mom, no kids. Waiting for the right nigga, right time. Bitches tearing through the grapevine, I'm hearing GIA certified. Is you gon' make it rain for these thunder thighs? Yeah, I'm a 10 and a freak. I'm only spitting out Listerine. Play with me, don't play with me. Yeah, I hoes ain't had emotion when the doorbell ring. 10 French tip toast and then these Dolce heels. Same maggot ass hoes stay on my dick for real. Man, what the fuck I look like tripping up? Some on a nigga way, switch 'em out. On my mama, give a nigga something to figure out.
Hello. Nasa bridge kami. Nasa siya sa auntie? Goodness. Nakapunta. Ayun yung train race. Oh.
Good skin, rich too. Still doing it like
Katakot.
used to. I got shit too for the synthetic, not a whip cream. I'm a homeowner with a swim team.
Ay, yun na yung train. Hindi natin nakita. Ayun na yan. Ano siya? Binusto niya. Ayaw mag-raincoat.
My backyard getting dome, girl. In the sun chair with my toes curl. In his bedroom on a poster. I'm in my go yard, you go girl.
Uy, tara na, wala na sila.
I'm in my I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl.
Apat pala eh. Sarap. Sarap.
I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could we be the two, or at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the thing? Just said to me yesterday.
Wala. May sa ice cream. Cream lang. Cream lang. Thank you. Kaya yan. Wow, small mouth. Masarap. Kamusta? Diba? Ang tamis ng strawberry. Sarap.
Kaya ka na rin.
Ano nabibili ka ng fresh strawberry? Laki ng manok! Gagawa ka dito yan?
Lagi hawakan mo. Ang bigat.
Ah, hindi pura breadcrumbs.
Ha?
Pag bumili ka niyan, may 10 pesos off.
Oo, meron ako 10 pesos off.
Wagyu.
Steak, wagyu. Steak.
Totoo bang steak yan? Walang sauce? Or season, salt lang. Go.
Taste test.
Malambot? Gago, sarap.
Ano to? Potato twist.
Potato swirl.
Flavor niya is sour cream and seaweed.
Uy, may nilin ay na siya.
Yan ko.
Klasa lang ng sa Pinas.
Walang seaweed sa Pinas. Ay, sarap. Mambot?
Ano masasabi mo so far sa mga nakain natin?
Medyo disappointing yung buns, tsaka parang sakto lang yung Xiaolong Bao buns, tsaka custard bun.
Chomay?
Masarap nitong, yung siomai. Masarap to, itong chicken, tsaka yung steak. Ano ba? So,
steak, parang kanay.
oo, sarap yung steak.
Oo nga,
Kaso,
same.
the price is so...
Okay na yun, 400. Ano yan? Pesos
Oh,
sa 400.
400 pesos yung gano'ng kaliit. Tapos, ano pa? Ito okay, parang... Sulit din naman.
Ano, hindi kaya sa Pinas na ang laking patatas nito nung pinasok.
Oo.
Kasi yan, ang sarap ng chicken. Parang chicken poppers na sarili.
Ang sarap kasi ang bigat din niya.
Tapos hindi siya puro harina. Puro chicken.
Unang
Ganda ng
agad,
review
chicken
namin.
agad.
Ikaw, ano rating mo? Baka mo to.
So far, pinaka-nagustuhan ko yung steak.
Halata naman, gusto mo pa nga bumili.
Sarap. Tapos, like rating ko dun 10. Worth it siya sa price niya.
Tapos?
Tapos, next sa mga nakain natin, ito chicken. Kasi, chicken. I mean, masarap yung breading niya. Hindi siya oily. Rating ko sa kanya, 8. Ay, check, 8. Tapos, next yung potato. Sucks lang yung potato. Potato. How do you describe potato?
Nakalimutan natin yan eh. Juice.
Saks lang din, lasang orange juice.
Lasang orange juice na tang.
Natang?
Pero ayoko, hindi ko nagustuhan yung Xiaolongbao. Sakto lang. nasa
Diba?
50.
Sakto lang.
Mura lang yan, guys. May mabibili ka ba siya ng longbow na 8 pieces na 200 pesos?
Oo, gawin mo.
Wala.
Ever since I left the city, you.
Okay.
Dessert time!
Dessert. After mag-shopping.
Pinatang, ano bang Tagalog?
Tinatanggap.
Sinatang pilihan? Sinatang...
Ito ba yung recommended nung ano?
Recommended ng tour guide. Ito daw yung
Ito daw yung first franchise ng boba sa Taiwan. Wow!
na 30,
Informative!
30 years!
Ang dami inuulit!
So, yung akin is Big Bubble Milk Tea.
Mine is, I got the wrong order, pero ito daw yung bestseller nila.
Number 1.
Nandun ka!
Can I try?
Sarap. Butas yung bibig eh.
Diba?
Ito, di ba sabi mo gusto mo na matamis?
Patikim ako. Ang sarap!
So, next drink kay Agot.
Anong drink yan?
Hindi namin alam, pero yan yung number 1.
Masang gulaman. Pinabawasan ko ng sweetness.
I think ano siya, pang Taiwanese siya.
Kasi yung tea talaga. Kasi
Kasi
walang
tamis.
gatas, tapos pina 70%.
Walang tamis.
Sabi ko kay Gio na.
Hindi yun.
Basic.
Wait lang pa, ano ako ng straw.
I break ko sa lahat. ng
Play
sa
safe.
Pilipinas.
Play safe.
Yakult lemonade. Sige? Napaka-basic ng drink. Pero ano, mas Yakult to.
So, anong nyo, verdict? Feel ko ito yung number 1, yung akin.
Kasi, para sarap to, refreshing.
Ano number 1?
Try mo kaya muna para ma-judge mo.
Judger. Lasol.
Ano daw? Gagi, bakit? Ang sarap kaya. Ang sarap.
Lasol. Wala ka talaga sipon dyan.
Para sa akin ito, the best. Kasi may lupa ako sa lamig.
That's it for our vlog.
Ano rating mo?
Rating. Rating ko dito sa Milk ko 10.
Rate ko sa milk niya 10.
Wait ko sa'yo.
Akin? Ang sarap naman siya, 7. Kasi naman yung order.
Iyo.
10 daw siya sa kanya.
Gusto lang natin eh.
Just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you
Day 3.
got exactly what you asked for. Running out of places, they gon' pay for.
On my ears became your ears.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me.
My flavor is basic Hokkaido cream. Salted caramel na Hokkaido.
Milk. Milk and salted caramel.
Mine is salted caramel. It says limited edition.
Okay, moment of truth.
Sarap. Yung akin mix niya.
Mix pala.
Para malamsap.
Ang sarap mo kanina yun.
Hindi po kami LC guys.
Oh, yan sarap. Sarap combo.
Sarap, so good.
Sarap, guys. 300 pesos nga lang, pero kebs.
Okay lang, ganun din yung sa ano eh. Yabo.
Hindi, 150 lang sa Yabo.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, 150 dito. 150 sa atin.
Good. I rate it 10 out of 10.
Ang problema, times 2 dito. Hindi ka naman makakapili.
Yes.
Hala, food! Ano to? Hala, saan ka napunta?
Ano yung Geo Park?
J-Park.
Ano yung sa'yo?
Ito, hindi ko alam.
So right now, andito kami sa Taipei 101 building. Ay, kanina pa kami nag-iikot. Hindi na kami nakapunta sa dapat namin punta.
Stressed out, cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more.
Here na.
Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me.
Hello! Mga... hindi nasunod.
Haggard.
Lalayo pa kami neto. Ay, nako.
Di pa kami tapos sa gastusan. Nasa peak pa lang kami ng day.
Sabi na kung sino kasama mo nung high school, gumastos ng gumastos.
Hi guys, so now we're here at Junction Road.
Arte!
Gagastos na naman ng mga person!
Arte!
Yung isa dito, hirap na. Show your bag.
Napakalaki.
Hindi pa siya tapos at babalik kami sa net.
Ibang branch lang.
Ay, wala na nga ang place.
Gusto ko yung pinuntahan namin sa Zongshan, meron din sa Shimen. Pinapahirapan na namin sa
Ay,
Shimen
walang
namin.
Daiso doon.
Wala ka naman nabili masyado sa Daiso eh.
Nakagastos ako ng 500.
Pesos? On the way sa tempo. Basta may pagkain eh.
On my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing.
Welcome back.
We're here again.
DTF? You guys?
So dito na kami ulit sa Taipei 101 dahil hindi kami nakapag-DTF kanina.
Magdi-DTF na kami ngayon guys.
Faker lang kami kanina.
Nanginggit lang. Pero ngayon totoo na.
I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing.
Take out.
Take out. Epic fail number. Huwag mo namin mabilang.
Sa sobrang daming tao, nakakain. Magte-take out na lang kami.
Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong.
Okay.
Okay na?
Go.
糖葫芦，西门町最好吃的糖葫芦。
So much chaos today, guys.
Going places where you don't belong.